I looked into what certification to get. This one aligns with more of what I'm trying to do, which is not just be a GRC AI person, but be more of a hands-on infrastructure type AI security person. And that's how I found this right here. People on some of my lives have mentioned this cert and others, but in addition to listening to them, I also did my own research and I used Claude and I said, look, here's my resume, here's my skill set, here's a job that I want. I want this type of job right here. I actually fed in this JD, this job description. And then I said, what would be the best certification, skill set, knowledge base for me to get into in order to get from here to there? And it came up with this CompTIA Sec A plus, Sec AI plus. And I started reading it. I was like, okay, let me check this out because I just don't, I it was introduced. This is a very new certification. It's not going to be very marketable at this time. But right now, this is another thing. It's not always about just marketability. It's about the curriculum of the certification because certifications are about validation of what you know. So you got to know it before you even take the test, which means you got to go through the curriculum one by one to figure out how to pass it. So I start reading up on it. I start doing more and more research, and with these certifications, normally they'll have something to where you fill something out and it gives you more information. So the skills you'll learn is apply AI concepts and strengthen your organization's cybersecurity posture, secure AI systems using advanced controls and protection safeguards, leverage AI technologies to automate workflows, navigate global GRC frameworks to ensure ethical and compliant AI adoption, defend against AI driven threats like adversarial attacks, automated malware, and malicious use of generative AI, integrates AI securely into DevOps pipelines. And so all of these things are things that I want to, this is right here is in line with what I've already been doing. It builds off of my skill set and is in the direction I want to go, as opposed to some of the other certifications. Like there's AI 900, which is for Azure fundamental AI. It's primarily using Azure. And although they do teach you the basics of AI, it's for the Azure platform, which I may still do. But right now, I want an overview, a big picture understanding of that and go more into the best practices of all AI security as a whole, regardless of platform.